Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 25th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So, anyways, the pound yen has been drifting up pretty good. We definitely are starting to move to the downside, but no break of structure on the 1 hour time frame tells me that the trend is still up. I am very bullish on the higher time frames now because of the JPY basket analysis, and I do think that there's a very good chance that the JPY pairs are going to go up to probably about the 78% over the next several weeks to potentially maybe even several months, and we should see higher highs, higher lows on these higher time frames like the weekly and the monthly. So definitely keeping an eye out for that. That means that on the sort of time frames, if even if it does start to move to the downside, it potentially is nothing more than a correction to the uptrend. So I have my Fibonacci retracement on here, but really we don't even have a break of structure, so it could easily just keep going up from here. It would be nice if it did go down. I have no idea if it's really going to, but if it does go down and give us a Fibonacci bounce and a nice engulfing move to the upside, especially if it makes some sort of a three-way pattern, that would potentially make for a really nice long opportunity. So right now, for me, the strategy is only looking for longs, and I'm only going to be looking for longs at the end of three-way patterns. Whether it happens now or whether it keeps drifting up and then does a three-way pullback later on, I have no idea. I just know that I will definitely be ready for three-way pullbacks when they happen, hopefully for the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.